Hi Austin area homeowners, I'm Eric Peterson, broker and owner of Kopa Real Estate. And if your plans for 2022 include selling your home, sign up for one of our upcoming free home selling workshops, either in person at the Aloft Hotel on 183. We'll have snacks and drinks for the evening event and breakfast for the morning event. And if you can't make it in person, sign up for our online home selling workshop. And if you're not able to make either of those, we still encourage you to sign up because we will send you a recording of the event. So in only 1 hour, we'll cover 2022 real estate predictions for the Austin area, what repairs, if any, you should make before putting your home on the market, how to attract today's buyers and the buyers who will pay the most money for your house, and the best pricing strategy in today's market. Plus, there'll be plenty of time for Q&A for you to ask me anything about your situation. Sign up today at copaworkshop.com or call text 512-791-7473. In addition, if you'd like to talk about your situation right now, we'd love to assist you. So call me directly at the same number, 512-791-7473. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and make it a great day.